doubt I gave you all my life, now and forever till the day I die. You and I will share. This changing world can offer, so I say I'll be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There was a time when I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. You started on our way. I do recall every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to lay it on the line. Put the past away, put the past away, put the past away. All my life, I will carry you through. All my life, between each hour of the passing day, I will stay with you. There was a time when I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. Started on our way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to lay it on the line. I want this all my life. I want this all my life. I want this all my life.
Ngayon naman, ang handpicked song ni Cesar for his album, The Carrier single entitled Pagpatak, Pagpatak ng Ulan.
Sa pagpatak ng ulan, sa aking pag-isa, di ko malaman kung ano magagawa ngayong ika'y wala na. Nasa aking puso'y nagmamahal. Nung unang makita ka, ako'y agad umangas sa kupas mong mako. Pisking kay pula, mukhang puyat ka pa. Sa simpleng ganda, inibig ka. Nais kong ibalik ang kahapon. Nais kong muli kang makapiling. Nais kong madama ang iyong pagmamahal sa tuwing sasama.
live, ladies and gentlemen.
Take it away. La 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 Nais ko ibalik ang kahapon. Nais ko muli kang makapiling. Nais ko madama ang iyong pagmamahal sa tuwing sasapit tagulan. Pagpatak ng ulan sa aking pag-isa, di ko malaman kung anong magagawa. Ngayong ika'y wala na, nasa aking puso'y mamahal. Sa tuwing sasapit tagulan, sa tuwing sasapit tagulan.
The multi-talented Cesar Montano. Woo!
Thank you.
By the way, I have to tell you, we love the song. Richard and I were listening to it all day this morning.
Very
We were listening to it.
catchy
It's so
song.
nice.
Yeah, we were
Beautiful.
singing it there. Sana
Ganda.
tawagin tayo. We were like,
Sayang.
Bakit kami sumama?
Ay, mga kasama ko sana si
Nice.
Pops at
Napag-sing
si
along
Shasha.
Cesar Montano po,
Yeah.
not only a great actor, but now definitely a singer.
Legitimate,
with-
huh? Legitimate
Yeah,
singer.
absolutely, yes.
It's like going back to his roots, di ba? You started out as a singer.
Oo, folk singer.
Oo, di
Dun
ba?
sa-
Folk
nagsimula
singer.
ako sa sa mga kanto-kanto.
Ganon.
Oo, sa bangket-bangketa.
Hindi, magaling talaga yung kumanta at mag-gitara.
At
Ang
least may resulta,
Multi-talented nga eh. He does everything.
May resulta.
Hindi, kaya nga ginawa kong pangalan sa album ko, Subok Lang. Kaya subok lang mo ito eh.
How
Napakita
humble
niya, subok lang mo ito.
naman.
Pero ang sunod na album mo dapat seryoso na. Yun yung title. Ngayon
Seryoso
subukan,
na to.
sunod seryoso na.
Ang single po ay Pagpatak ng Ulan, which they just sang earlier under Premium Records, which is also under Star Records.
Tsaka
Oo.
naiintindihan mo yung premium ng Star Records.
Oo,
ha? Talagang
premium
pinakamagagaling at pinakamagandang albums yun.
Oo nga eh.
Tsaka he's not like the other actor, actress, singer, or actor, actress na nagiging singer. This guy's legitimate. He can sing, he plays
Lalo
the
na
guitar
kung
really
action
well.
star.
Oh, action, lahat. And his album is really beautiful, ah.
Yes,
Really,
thank you
ganda
for
ng mga
this.
kanta.
Totoo. Nanay ko nga nagulat eh, kakanta ako eh. Ay, kakanta po ako. Anak,
Subok
maganda yung
lang.
mga pelikula mo, anak. Sabi sa akin, hindi, kakanta ako. Anak, maganda yung pelikula
Yeah,
mo.
maganda po yung album. Buy it, get a copy.
Subok lang.
Premium Records, Subok lang. And the single is Pagpatak ng Ulan. We'll be
Oh.
right back with more. Thank you, Cesar.
Sa'yo na to.
Thank you, Cesar.
Thank you very much.
Mabigat eh. Mabigat.
Ay, sorry ha. Thank you.